back to my channel. It's me, Sheena, back with another video. For today's video, I have this everyday look that I do with my wing liner. I asked you guys on my Instagram what kind of videos you'd like to see, and I did get this request for my everyday look with wing liner. So here we are today. This is my updated routine, and all the products will be listed down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get straight into it. You always want to prep your face before you put on your makeup. So first things first, I already washed my face. I'm going in with my Clinique moisturizer. This is just a lightweight moisturizer that I use every day. And I just moisturize my face just to make sure we are all moisturized and fresh. Eye cream is next. Using today the Kylie Skin, dab that under the eyes and into the skin. These are still press-ons, guys. Press-ons from Target, and they're kind of cute. Like, I just put them on. My last video I had press-ons too. Those were from Walmart. Starting with my e.l.f. primer. I've been using this a lot lately because it just makes my skin look so good and so smooth. I had someone ask me on my YouTube, like, it's not working not my YouTube. I had someone on my TikTok comment on my video like, oh my gosh, I didn't know you were supposed to put that much. Like, I only put a little bit and my pores still show. But I put on a generous amount, and yeah, makes it super smooth. You can really just go out with a fresh face like this. But we're gonna get a little cute today. So this is the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal. I'm in the shade 209 Caramel Beige. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations ever. Gives you a pretty glow, smooth finish, medium finish, and it's like a radiant look. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand because I don't want to wear a lot today. So now I'm going in with the NARS concealer in the shade Maron Glaze. This, I just started using this concealer. I switch my concealers about every 2 to 3 months because my skin gets used to it, and I just like a new fresh concealer, a new fresh look, because I swear after I use the same concealer every single day, then it really just gets used to my skin. But this concealer is natural radiant as well. Don't use a lot because you want a nice natural look. We're not gonna make our eyes super coverage. I can't talk today. I clean my blender before every use because you just want a fresh new blender, and the bacteria sits inside of it, old product sits on it, so you want to clean it before every use. I also take it in a paper towel and just get all that wetness out just to make it damp and perfect to blend out. And what is loud today? Now, this is the Juno sponge. I've been using this lately too. It's the velvet sponge. It's really hard to clean compared to my other ones though, but I promise it's clean. Now I'm doing a light contour to the face. Nothing too snatched or chiseled. I'm just using my MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick in the shade NW45. I'm not going in and making harsh lines. I'm just taking my brush, grabbing a little product off of it like this, and just placing it where I want that little bit of color and bronziness to my face. So just a little bit. Now that we got a little color to the face, we're going to set our under eyes. But before I do that, just to get a perfect seamless look and have everything blend together, like right up here where it transitions from the light to the contour, we need all of this to blend. So I go in with the setting spray. I just got this in my Ulta haul if you watched my last video, but I always use a setting spray, any setting spray, MAC Fix Plus also, but this is my favorite so far lately. Too Faced Hangover. Just drown yourself in this. To give it a natural look, take your sponge, and we're gonna go in and just dab everything in, just blend everything together. I like the big end of it. Just to blend away and make everything look like skin. See if like what foundation is she using, what concealer is she have on. This is the Huda Beauty setting powder in pound cake. I'm taking the same sponge and I'm just going in and grabbing some product. I dab right over my eyelids because you don't want any creases on your eyelids as well. So after that, we spray one more time because why not? You have to take away the powdery look and it just makes everything look natural, smooth, and just like fresh and dewy. So we're gonna spray again. Let's get into this liner. I use the MAC They're Black waterproof liner. It is the one that's double-ended. I've used this before on my channel as well. It has the regular eyeliner and then the felt tip liquid liner. This is what we're gonna use for the wig. We're gonna get up in here and get close. Don't look at my eyebrow hairs because I need them threaded. I haven't been in a while, but I'm gonna give this a good shake and get into this eyeliner. I like to start just from, I hope you guys can see, just from my inner corner. And fill that part. Just this part first because it just shows you how big you want your liner to be. I'm going up in the corner and I'm just going to get that line out. I'm going in with my MAC eyelash curler and I'm just going to curl my lashes, my teeny tiny lashes. But I have a trick for y'all. I do miss my eyelash extension. Bro, what? I cannot speak. Yeah, I miss my eyelash extensions. But I've been loving this trick lately, so this is what I do. Curl those bad boys. On a super thin mascara coat, I'm using the Extended Play by MAC. My favorite mascara. We're just gonna go at the base and wiggle our way up. So now we're getting into these lashes. I've found this hack from famous makeup artist Harush. She's on YouTube as well. One of my favorite makeup artists ever. I just got a new pack. New pack came in. So what she did was cut off half of the lash. I go right up in there and just snip until it's the very end, the tapered end. Now we're gonna pop these right at the very end where they would belong anyways, even if it was a full lash. Just put it on like normal. And boom, it really just looks like your natural lashes without any lash extensions or anything crazy. Looks super pretty, looks super seamless. It doesn't have that little pop up in the front or where you can see it in the front, and it just blends with your lashes and makes a perfect like tapered look. It's been my favorite thing lately. Shout out to Harush. This is also great if you are not good at putting lashes on, or you just started putting lashes on, you need to practice and I went through that phase where my lashes were sticking out everywhere and looking all types of crazy. So you can start off with this hack and move on to putting on bigger lashes. That's that. It looks super good, super natural, and you can see the liner as well. It's what I've been doing lately and I've been loving it. We're gonna move back into the face. I have the Fenty matchstick in the shade Trippin. Get a little highlight to the face. This is like a peach orangey gold highlighter. Just warm it up with my finger like so. Get it right up at the nose. It just gives like a super dewy, I say super so much, I just noticed that. I'm sorry. It gives a nice glow without the harsh line. Just pop that on with my finger. On the sides of my face. Cupid's bow. You know what it is with the lips. We're going in with Cork, my favorite liner in the world by MAC. And we're just filling our lips lightly. Nothing super dramatic, just because we want it to be a naturally seamless look. Going in with Blankety lipstick, my all-time favorite. And we're just gonna blend away with the Cork. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked something. Hope you learned something. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can do that on the screen here and watch my latest video as well. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video.